In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix website and start over with a brand new one. Whether you've outgrown your current setup or you're just feeling inspired to take a new creative direction, I'm here to help guide you through the process seamlessly. First, let's head over to the My Sites section on Wix. This is where you manage all your websites. You'll want to navigate to this section by logging into your Wix account and finding the My Sites dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your current sites. Take a moment to choose the site you want to delete. Once you've identified it, look for the Site Actions button next to your website's name. Clicking this will open up a list of available actions. From the drop-down menu, select Move to Trash. This action is the first step towards deleting your site, so ensure you're choosing the right one. After you've chosen Move to Trash, a confirmation prompt might pop up. Confirm your choice to proceed. It's a good time here to double-check that you're okay with any loose ends this might tie off permanently. It's a non-reversible action, so caution is key. Now that you've successfully removed the old site, let's work on creating a new beginning. Start by clicking on the Create New Site button. Once clicked, Wix will present you with options to start fresh with a new website creation. Next up, you'll see the option to Create on Wix Editor. This feature lets you dive into designing your new site with full creative freedom. The Wix editor is quite user-friendly, so even if this is your first time, rest assured that it guides you smoothly through the design process. Before you actually start on your design, Wix will ask what type of website you want to create. Consider the purpose of your website, whether it's for personal blogging, a business portfolio, or an online store. You select the option that best aligns with your goals. After you've made your selection, it's time to click Continue. This action will guide Wix to tailor options and suggestions precisely for your chosen website type. Next, click on Design Site. This is where the magic happens. You start shaping how your website will look and feel. Wix has a wide variety of templates to choose from to kickstart your design process. Browsing through them, pick a template that resonates with your vision and style. Don't worry, as templates are customizable and you're not locked into the initial design layout. Once you've selected the perfect template for your new site, click on Edit. This opens up the Wix editor where you can add your personal touch and creativity to every page and element of your website. And that's it. Now you're all set with a clean slate to create the website that truly represents you or your business. Happy website building!